Hi everybody. So in this video, we're going to look at the discriminant of a quadratic equation. And the discriminant comes from the b squared minus 4ac part of a quadratic equation. And this will determine the number of roots that a quadratic equation has, or the number of times that it passes through the x-axis. So if we take it when b squared is greater than 4ac, well now you've got a big number take away a smaller number. So there'll be two real roots, the positive case and the negative case. If b squared is less than 4ac, well then you've got a bigger number subtracted from a smaller number, so the square root will be of a negative, and because we can't square root a negative, we'll have no real solutions. And the other case is when b squared is equal to 4ac, then we'll have one number take away itself, so we'll have a square root of 0. So then we'll just have one solution, okay? So it's really important that as we progress through quadratics, we understand how and when to use the discriminant. Okay, so in example 1, state the number of real roots of this quadratic equation. So the first thing we need to do is we need to identify our values of a, b, and c. We know a will be the 3, the coefficient of the x squared term. The b will be -5. Make sure we always include a negative if it is a negative. And then the c will be the constant 1 term. So determine the number of real roots. Well, b squared would be -5 squared. And then we've got the 4ac. That'll be 4 times 3 times a constant term of 1. So this would be 25. The right hand side will be 12. And because 25 is greater than 12, this means we'll have two real roots. So it will pass through the x-axis twice. Okay? For example 2, the equation x squared plus 10x plus k has equal roots. Find k. So now we're going to use this formula. So we know b will be our 10 term, the coefficient of x. This will be the 1, will be the a term. And it'll be equal to 4 times 1 times the constant k term. So we can work out the left hand side. So 100 will equal 4k. So k must equal 25. So our quadratic equation then will be x squared plus 10x plus 25. And I want to show you how this will have one equal root, where we can complete the square of this left hand side. So we'll have x plus 5 squared minus the 25 to complete the square, plus the 25 to get it back to what we have here. These two will cancel, so we've got x plus 5 all squared to make 0. So our only solution then is when x equals -5. Okay.